As you can see, the carpet in this boat is pretty rough. I mean, we got quite a bit of stains in here. We've got a lot of dirt in here. I need to get the vacuum to start vacuuming this. I've cleaned these in here. You can tell a significant difference, even though I need to vacuum again because stuff's been blown in here. But most of the stain stuff, and then back here I've done this too. You can tell a significant difference with all the stuff that's blown in there, but the color is definitely different. Same thing in here. Needs to be vacuumed, but the carpet actually looks clean. So what we're doing is we're going to be using this right here. This is Starbright Ultimate Carpet Clean for all carpets. Cleans and dissolves tough stains, grease, and grime, eliminates and neutralizes odors. So you basically spray this on, penetrate for 1 to 3 minutes. So spray this on, let it sit for 1 to 3 minutes, and then you come back and you wipe it up with a rag, or you can dab it, wipe it, spin it, whatever. Hey, real quick, this carpet cleaner is awesome stuff, and we want to give a special thank you to WholesaleMarine.com for helping us out with this project, which is where we got the carpet cleaner. And right now, if you use the links in the description below or the pinned comment and use the code BAB10, you can save 10% off on anything that you get from WholesaleMarine.com if you use the code BAB10. Again, thank you, Wholesale, for helping us with this project. Now back to the video. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum these. First, I'm gonna do these insides right there and right there. I'm gonna spray them after I vacuum them, and then we'll wipe them all up, and then we'll see what kind of transformation this carpet has with just using this cleaner and some cloths. I'll probably use some of these terry cloths here, just, you know, some rags that'll soak the stuff up, and we'll see how much this looks, or how well this looks, once I get done. All right, that's what that one looks like. Definitely a lot better, but it also definitely needs to be done again. Down here looks a million times better compared to what it was. Thing is, I don't know if I have enough. I don't know if I have enough of this stuff to make it to do this whole carpet, because I mean, this carpet's pretty rough. But if I can get it to turn out like this down here, I mean, all them stains, I got a lot of them out. I mean, you can tell where they start back up again. So I re-hit that one right there. I'm gonna finish vacuuming this. I'm gonna hit this section right here, and then we'll probably move over to that section over there and down here. That way I can kind of, you know, if I run out of the stuff, I can at least put my seats back in, and then like have, you know, that clean, this clean, and be working my way, you know, around this other stuff where it doesn't matter if the seats are in or out, I'll be able to work it. Yeah, this stuff is awesome. Look at that. That looks amazing. I could probably do it again. I could probably hit it up again, but I mean, look at this spots. Clean up real good. Yep, there's some tough stains that probably need to be hit again, but I mean, I'm sorry. Did you just get new carpet? Absolutely, I just got new carpet. Look at it. 35-year-old carpet looks great. So, all right, I'm gonna keep working. This one's gonna look good once I get all of it looking like that. Really need to get a good shop vac. That little thing ain't really the right tool for the job here, but this carpet's gonna clean up nice. I know. It looks like I got new carpet all throughout the boat. These two sections came out wonderfully, even down around here. Oh, this is looking awesome. This is looking really clean. Over here, I got a bunch of stuff back in there, but the carpet, I mean, from what it was, this looks really, really good. Unfortunately, I basically killed that bottle. I do need to get another bottle now. I didn't realize how much you really need. Well, I mean, this carpet was really, really bad, so I'm gonna get one more bottle. That should do, I mean, it should be able to do, maybe I need 2 bottles, because I got all the way around that to do 2. But I got that in here. This is looking fresh. As soon as I get my back pieces up there, this is gonna look amazing. So tomorrow I'll probably work on tackling the engine and then getting that kind of back together. That way I can finish up this carpet after the fact, and it'll give me a day to get more carpet cleaner in. So all right, so we got the carpet done. It could use a little bit more work. It's just a lot of work to do these carpets. This looks really good. Once it dries out, it's a lot cleaner too, but I might have to do one more round around it. You can see some like darker spots, but for the most part, this stuff is really good. Carpet Clean Starbright. This is actually really, really good. I would definitely recommend this to clean your carpets. We'll let this dry a little bit and I'll show you what it looks like once it's dried, but other than that, that's it for cleaning the carpets.